Now, how can you save a PDF in a folder on the iPad? Let's get into it. If you are new on the Foxtecc channel, definitely do not hesitate and subscribe to it, and you're not going to miss anything important. So essentially, it depends on where the PDF is to begin with, because most likely it might be part of your email or some other apps. But usually in those scenarios, you just need to open up the email and locate the share button. The share button will then give you some options, like you can send it over to another app or share it in some other ways. But usually part of this share sheet, there is the save to files option. And it just means that you will be able to save it into a folder on the iPad, which is part of the Files application. Obviously, inside of there, you can browse through the sections like save it to iCloud or local storage and choose a specific folder where you want to put that PDF file. So obviously just go through it, perhaps create a brand new folder if you need to, and then you decide to share or save the PDF right there. Of course, you can return to the Files app anytime you want and move it to another place if you want to. It's all there. It works just like a regular file browser on your computer, but it's on the iPad, so it's very intuitive, right? So if you have anything specific that you would like to ask or some questions below, leave them right there in the comment section. Hit the thumbs up if the video was helpful, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.